Hi guys, I'm Samantha, also known as Siri. In today's video, my lady boss Mariluz is very sick, so her voice is not the sexiest anymore. Long story short, she asked her husband John to do her voiceover, but as any great man, he could not deliver, so I had to step up and work for the money they pay me every month. I'll be doing today's voiceover and see what this poor sick child, my lady boss, can do, even when she's sick. I know she'll be doing a natural everyday makeup look today, and I have the green light to explain what I see, but I swear, if she blows her nose or coughs on this video, I'm gonna quit. Anyway, let's do this. To complete this look, she first takes the Smashbox PhotoFinish primer and dots it all over the face, and then rubs her face with one hand. Weird faces are encouraged, I think. Then, she takes the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 108, takes like what seems a fair amount, spreads it all around her face. Now, with that paste still on, she beats her face with the pink egg. I'm not sure why the pink egg, as opposed to any other egg, but this is not my area of expertise, so I digress. Now, with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony, she scratches her brows, but as long as it's not her nose, we can manage. It also looks like she's adding more brow hairs, as if she did not have enough. But she's not feeling well, so yeah. I hope she cannot hear me though. Oh, what's this? Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, looks shiny. She applies it on some strategic places to cover what she missed with the foundation. With the pointy side of the pink egg, she tries to rub it off. She's not too successful, but for some strange reason it works for her. She gets carried away and applies more. And then she tries to rub it off again. I think there's a method to her madness, but still seems excessive. Oh no, wait, I was supposed to say something like, you do you, boo, or whatever. Moving on, she takes the RCMA No Color Powder. And with the pink egg, again, she beats only the strategic places. Now, with a Benefit Hoola bronzer, she bites the inside of her cheek and dusts the outside. She dusts her forehead, and she holds her hairline, so it cannot go anywhere. As if. Now she keeps dusting around her serious face, and beats her face for having all that dust. She takes the Becca blush in Wild Honey, and dusts her cheeks, nose and chin. With the ABH Sun Dipped Glow Kit, she uses the shade Moonstone, and more dusting? I'm sorry guys, I'm not sure why she's dusting that much. Maybe that's why she's sick. I gotta tell her she needs to stop. What? More dusting? Lord, have mercy. Okay, now with the Tarte, lights, camera, lashes mascara, she scratches her top lashes and her bottom lashes. And with the Marc Jacobs lip lacquer in Taboo, she applies it on her lips, so she can stop looking so dead. Does she know we can see her? Oh, yeah. You look good, boss. No. 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 I quit.